Saimēls skatās uz mani, reku viņš ir.
Es viņu dabūju netīšām. Artur. CV901 no 5 dabūja artilērijā punktā. Man arī dabūja artilērija! Nepareizais cilvēks. Nepareizais cilvēks, tur ir vēl viens.
Kas viens, tur paskatās, man atgādināja Among Us uzreiz.
Dabūju. Es dabūju double kill! Artur, pēc es čatā!
Mals, vai...
Viņi kaut nopērs santājers.
Man ATGFs normāli lido. Tur šur.
Artur, tas Helijas čoks ir vai nu extremely retardēts, vai viņam ir kaut kāds pro-level status. Viņš to neizdzīvos. Viņš ir tāds idiots. Viņš ir tāds idiots. Viņš ir tāds idiots. Ой! Ой! Upsīs! Oi, bļāč!
Atkal kaut mazo atred.
Smoke stāv.
Sergeant Roy P. Benavides, United States Army retired for conspicuous gallantry and intrepidity in action at the risk of his life above and beyond the call of duty, and his refusal to be stopped despite saved the lives.
Саси хуй, блядь.
Jā, skillišu, bļā, iemācīties spēlēt LOL.
Ņem ātrumu.
Tev tā govs nestrādā.
Man kaut...
Viņam bija reāls zils vaigs, bļā. Viņam bija uzpams un zils viņš. Auč, bļaļ! Auč! Viņam bija reāls zils vaigs, bļā. Viņam bija uzpams un zils viņš. Auč, bļaļ! Auč!
Ņem ātrumu.
Tev tā govs nestrādā.
Man kaut...
Mjau. 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 Tagad es vienkārši nosilināšu.
Yeah, Minx, thanks for going on fucking JHB show instead of ours. You could have been here today.
No, he didn't ask. No. Minx, he didn't ask you. You got like, I bet you got like an email or something where it was...
Are we ever here for booze?
JHB reached out to you himself.
Sasi хуj! No, ko tu izdarīs?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Nebūs nekāds ar pērs.
Aizvilni vienkārt divas reizes un visu.
Es cenšos.
Fuck you! Wait, what's their name?
What's the name?
Serveris, bļaļ.
Serveri.
3 supermarket trolleys full of cash.
Tu lidoji! Gita, tu lidoji tik!
And the Davidians began to bunker down and barricade inside the compound, believing full well that these were the end times that their leader David Koresh had prophesized. And the ATF knowing full well that they royally fucked up.
I'm on like some chicken wings, but like on a creamy buttermilk chicken. I have a feeling that might clash a little bit.
You can go to Sam's and look for it. But I'm thinking we need this. Not sure why.
Kroplis, блядь.
Your timer is up, so like 5 minutes later I'm like, hey, didn't our timer just go off? we need to go check the chicken. And we probably went about a minute longer than we wanted to.
You know, Jack, I think that might just be a blessing in disguise for you. Because one more chicken like the last one you had, and it might just be your last.
I had in my head I was gonna come in here and go, oh, it's good, and it's a little bit better than the wet one. Guys, listen to me. Stop what you're doing.
Nah.
A dry brine is 100 times better. In this case, I don't know about other brines, but
I think the dry brine is better in this case because the chicken is actually kind of cooked this time. Maybe that's just me, though. Well, that's enough Jack for one day, I do believe. You know, it's actually kind of inspiring. This guy has 500,000 subs on YouTube, multiple brand deals. I think he even has a barbecue sauce that's sold in Walmart. It really shows that anybody can do anything. So if you're an aspiring chef out there and you ever have a bad day, just remember, if Jack made it, you can too.
Oh, that's delicious. So let me show you how I make Lazy Man's Taco.
The Cooking with Jack Show is an award-winning YouTube cooking show that produces only the highest quality recipes. Yeah, every word of that is a lie. If you're new to the channel and this is your first time being exposed to the Cooking with Jack Show, boy are you in for a ride. Today we're going to be taking a second look at my favorite Cooking with Jack Show series, Lazy Man's Cooking, where Jack takes some of the most unbelievably simple recipes to begin with and tries to dumb them down even further. We're gonna be starting off with Lazy Man's Tacos, where Jack literally in eyesight. That chicken is literally fucking hot pink. It's like a highlighter. Why are you eating this?
Nah, fam. Nah.
Trying to make himself take another bite, but he just can't make himself. It is that bad. He literally cannot even make himself take one more bite for the camera. And this man has eaten...
It's not slime anymore, you can't slide around.
Oh, that sounds awful, dude. No, don't take away my natural mucus membrane.
Your natural outer layer.
Благодари. Который, блядь.
That'd be a really good thing to have in something like the UFC is like having a membrane, a slimy membrane that would let you
Vaseline layer.
They Vaseline them up at the beginning of the fights. I don't know if you saw it, Ted,
do?
when we went. Yeah, oh yeah, they Vaseline them up.
Oh, so it is a thing then, Ted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
that's actually a pretty good segue.
Off. So the punches slide off the face when they get hit, so it doesn't like kill.
Isn't the point to get punched in the face? Okay, never mind. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but you can cause some pretty bad damage with the actual fists going straight to the head. So they Vaseline them up at least in the head area a little bit. They have some other guy do it though.
Huh.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on to the Q&A section of the podcast. We said that we would do this every episode where we just talk.
We're like, should I be enjoying this?
Well, it was.
Oh! You can take your time, man. It's Big Thursday. There's not really a lot of pressure.
really on Big Thursday, all I'm looking for is just a big meal. You know? And I mean...
Almost a prerequisite of Big Thursday.
Big games.
Making it push, we're scared of this, we're scared of us. Our feelings we can barely trust.
Who's got us in bed?
Radět random máme dát celý víc typu idiot, jo. Když tak musí ochytit možná. Jestli se tím sabě muzlajt artilérii, jaká sraky. Tu se ví, muzlajt. Raký tam nebo bombestlý. Ne, brauc prom raký manu, tik daudz mīnsā. Šā bombēs jūs. Es nevienam no jums netrāpīju. What the fuck? Zināju, ka M163 ir fucking radars.
O, raketa!
Speciāli šaušu tā, lai viņš pie manīm brauc.
Oi! Kas tas tāds bija?
One shots. Let's go. Chieftains.
Tā, es teiktu kilometrs 200. Kurva raketā? Bļaļ. Tā jau nopietni. Tā jau nopietni. Obrigado.
Man tāda sajūta, it kā kaut kāds 5 tonnas vienkārši aizmugurē.
Pagaid, apgriezīs priekšu, paši paksajies, skaidrs. Pagaid. Tā. Upsā. Dabū viņu lūdzu.
Viņš tev neredzēs, bet...
Neredzēs?
Ko tu dari? Tu esi tik maziņš, tev neredzēs.
Redzēji, tu man dirsī! Sukā!
Ar tā Amerikava. Precīzi te stāv.
Es viņai trāpīju. Viņai nekāds zamačs nebija. Interesanti šitos no sevi. Tur.
Redz, jā.
Es dabūju aircraft!
And no games.
Yeah, this is a tricky one, right? This is a conundrum. On one hand, it's unlimited bacon and no games, but then there's also games and no games.
Unlimited games. Unlimited games.
Yeah, it's a constant dichotomous situation here.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What's it gonna be?
Kā es to izdzīvoju?
Nice thing about Andrea.
Her sister.
Wow, nothing less than what I expected. Legit to me.
Let's make another elimination.
Because you have enough, I probably have enough money to like retire and live mostly how I want to, but like the huge dreams, like the thousands of acres, the like multiple foundations, that takes like crazy money, you know? There's like a difference. It's like there's like rich and then there's like rich.
Yeah, no, for sure. Damn, that's actually good. I think
like being so close to the goal.
Yeah.
Like letting it fall off
of course. Yep. I mean, if you think what you're doing has a way to get there.
Yeah, I need to get a better weapon, man. Once I get a better weapon, like
Oh!
I'm not even worried about it.
Ну, саппорт, тот, кто не любит бас, оп, иди.
Because, блядь, this must be PUBG modeli. Tas stabil bija.
Nomerdīju motorīs. Es lidoju uz fieldu battle, to tur field property.
Nu ne jau nopietni.
Lec ārā.
Nu ne jau nopietni.
Jā, man strēlē dabū.
Nu ne jau nopietni. Kā tu mani neredzēji?
Ir normāli tanki, ar kuriem var spēlēt mierīgi.
Rikoš! 150 mēģinās. 700. No, es arī nav tālu. Ko smuki iepisu viņā? Ej, tu dīrs! Tev ir flare un tu viņus pat neizmanto, tu dauni. Donk. Lūdzu manā pasaulē. O! Oi, bļeķi! Nav labi, man Nick 29 uzbruk! Ai, bļeķi! Nāc šurpu, bļeķi! Иди сюда, нахуй! Эй, tu diši, kas man pa adrenalīnu, bļeķi!
Nahуй, čā taisas pārdus?
Nikita, gatavojas dodžot.
Nē.
Tev raķeti tūlīt lidos, tev bīgs šaus virsū. Pikšā raķeti.
Man spārdi paši taisās vaļā.
Ķer! Nāc šurpu, bļāģi! Tu domā, ka es tev nenoķeršu? O-o.
Es ir tīņķās, slēpjas apīt.
Oh, suka, baby! Oh!
Netika nogalināts ar savu raķeti.
Ah! Oh! Ko tu raķeti izcoja? Oh, F16! No! Critical hits! Lūdzu, saka, es viņu nogalināju. Jā! Kāda iespēja? Ej, tu dirst! Tik priecīgs esmu. Labu nakti.